Let's continue with more examples. We have potassium, it's over here. So what's the closest noble gas before potassium? That one is argon. So we have argon. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll use the different patterns in the table of elements to make this one faster. So again, it's on the fourth period. So we have 4. Then it's on the S block. Again, S, P, then the D block. So this one is on the 4S. Then it's on the first line. So we have 4S1. Calcium is right after potassium. So again, it's the same thing. The closest is argon. We have argon. Then we have 4s1 for potassium. So calcium is 4s2. 4s2 for calcium. Next, we have gallium. Gallium is over here. So the same thing. Before gallium, the closest noble gas is argon. Argon. So again, before we go to gallium, so let's write all the steps we need to take from argon coming to gallium. So again, before we go to gallium, we first need to take these steps. We have 4s1, then 4s2. Then after 4s, we go to the D block. And again, the numbering here is different. So instead of 4, this will start on 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one is 3. Then again, we have D. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 3D10. After we go to the 3D10, we now go sa gallium, which is on the P block over here. And again, the same numbering over here. So that's 4P1. Okay, that's 4P1. So again, this numberings over here are only for this elements on this D block over here. So again, for the P block, it's the same numbering with the S block. Okay, so this would be 4P1. Next, germanium, that's right after gallium. So the same thing, argon, we have 4s2. After 4s2, we have 3d10. 3d10. Then after that, we have 4p1. Then we have 4p2. Okay, that's 4p2, 4. Okay, this is the configurations of these elements. Then we have rubidium. Rubidium is over here. The closest is krypton. That's Kr. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is on the fifth periods. We have 5. It's on the S block. We have S. Then we have it's on the first line. We have 5s1. Next, we have sulfur. Sulfur is over here. So the closest is neon. That is again neon. Then after neon, we first go to this one over here. We have the 3s1, 3s2. Then after this, again, there's empty here. So we'll jump to the P block over here. We have 3p1, 3p2, 3p3, 3p4. Okay, that's for sulfur. Next is vanadium. Vanadium is over here. So the closest is argon. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. So argon, then we have 4s1, 4s2. After 4s2, we have the 3d1, 3d2, 3d3. So vanadium is, that's 3d3. Okay, that's for vanadium. Next, we have iodine. Iodine is over here. So the closest before iodine is krypton. Again, before the element, we have krypton over here. Kr. Then we have 5s1, 5s2. Then we have the 4d1 to 4d10. So 4d10. Then we have the, again, this is 5 by like 5 P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. We have 5 P5. Next, we have cesium over here. So that is, the closest is xenon. Then we have 6s. We have 6s, then 6s1. Okay. Then lastly, we have nitrogen. Nitrogen is over here. The closest is helium. So before that, we have the 2s1, 2s2. We have 2p1, 2p2, 2p3.